let's do a radiology math question. We're going to be doing inverse square law. So the question reads, the intensity of light from a lamp fixture is 900 millilumens per second at a distance of 5 meters. What is the intensity of this light at 15 meters? So the first thing we need to do is figure out what is the equation to figure out this question. The equation for inverse square law, I1 over I2 equals D2 over D2 squared over D1 squared. The question was, the intensity of light from a lamp fixture is 900 millilumens per second at a distance of 5 meters. What is the intensity of this light at 15 meters? I'm a color coordinated girl, so I'm going to show you how I do it and color coordinate it so that you can understand better. We need to break it down. So I1, I2, and then D1, D2. But basically, to fill in the question, the intensity is 900. There's not an additional intensity. That is what we are going to be solving for. So we put X right here. And then the distance. So the first distance is 5 meters. 5 meters. And the intensity, and the second distance is 15. So in order to rewrite the question, including these measurements, it's going to be, have to take a look at the formula. The formula I1, this is I1, so it's going to be 900 over X, which is I2, equals D1, D2, so D2 will be 15 squared, and then D1, which is 5 squared. In order to make the problem easier to understand, we're going to go ahead and work out all the squares so that we're able to understand it easier. You're going to take your calculator and do 15 times 15 equals 225. So we're going to rewrite the question and do 900 x equals 225, and we need to find out what 5 squared is. So we multiply 5 times 5, which gives us 25. And this is where you start to figure out the problem. You're going to cross multiply 225 by x and 900 by 25. So these two numbers will go here on the bottom. These two numbers will go on top. So 225 by itself times x is going to be 225, and then 900 900 times 25 is 22,500. And then you're going to divide the top number by the bottom number. So you're going to divide 22,500 divided by 225. It's going to give you 100. I hope this was easy to understand. Let me know if you have any other questions.